Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can quickly and easily add Outlook Calendar to your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put likes under this video. Be sure to write your comments after watching and also subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get down to the topic. And I'll tell you right away that Outlook Calendar is a very handy application, a very handy feature. And if you would like to add this calendar for yourself, it's very easy to do. First of all, please open the settings on your phone, scroll down, click on the app. Now scroll down a little bit more, click on Mail. After that, you will need to click on Mail accounts here in Mail. Next, you will need to add an Outlook account. To do this, click on Add Outlook Account. Now fill in all the required boxes. For this, you will need to enter your email or phone number, and you will also need to enter your password. Once you have added the Outlook account to all your accounts, you'll see it right here in the Mail account list. And it's important for you to make sure that you add a calendar to your Outlook account. To do that, you'll just need to go here in the list Outlook. And then you'll need to turn on the word calendar so that it becomes active if for some reason you don't happen to have it active. Thus, the Outlook application and your calendar will be synchronized. And you will be able to use your Outlook calendar on your iPhone, which can be more convenient for you than using a regular calendar. This is the method you can easily add Outlook Calendar to your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. Please friends, don't forget to put likes under the video and also subscribe to our channel. See you friends!